Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Let's visit Wells Gray Provincial Park in British Columbia today, and to be specific, we'll see some waterfalls of the park. The town of Clearwater is the gateway to the Wells Gray Provincial Park. This park is known to have 41 waterfalls, and not all of them have easy access. Today we'll show you 4 of the most easily accessible ones. All the 4 waterfalls are on the Clearwater Valley Road. There are more on the road, but we are going to visit the easy ones only. Our first stop is the Spahats Creek Waterfalls. Viewpoint to these 75-meter falls can be accessed through an easy trail from the parking lot. Spahats is the First Nations term for bear. Spahats Falls owes its formation to deposits of volcanic rock in the Wells Gray-Clearwater volcanic field about 200 to 300,000 years ago. From the Spahats Falls, we drive north to reach the Niagara of the Wells Gray, the Dawson Falls. The trail from the parking lot is longer than the Spahats one, but the 10-minute walk is totally worth it. There's the main viewpoint, and another short hike will take you to the top of the falls. Our next stop is the 4th highest waterfall in Canada, measured by the total straight drop without a break, the Helmkin Falls. According to the Visitor Center, this is the star attraction of all the falls. The viewpoint to these falls is a short walk from the parking lot. However, there are trails that can take you closer to the falls. Most tourists see Helmkin Falls in summer. A winter visit is worthwhile because of the ice cone at the base that often grows up to 50 meters tall and sometimes even higher in the very cold and snowy winters. It has occasionally been seen reaching halfway to up the falls. The best time to view the ice cone is from late January to the end of February. This is a western skunk cabbage forest. The plant is called skunk cabbage because of the distinctive skunky odor that it emits when it blooms. This odor will permeate the area where the plant grows and can be detected even in the old dried specimens. The distinctive odor attracts its pollinators, scavenging flies and beetles. Our last stop is the Bailey's Chute. It is a relatively small waterfall, but it ranks quite high in the flow rate, making it one of the largest waterfalls in the country. Bailey's Chute is a good place to view the Chinook salmon as they try to leap the falls from mid-August through September. They are the largest of Pacific salmons, weighing from 8 to 22 kilos. If you are lucky, you may see the bears lining up to catch the salmons going upstream. So that's it for this one. In our next video, we will take you in and around the town of Clearwater. So stay tuned to this channel and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share it on your social media. Thank you for watching and stay safe till the next one.